Afternoon traders. Okay, I have Hex USDC here. Hex is the Ethereum fork by Richard Hart. Claims to have lower fees, etc., all those things that Mr. Richard likes to brag about. Anyway, somebody asked me to do some tech analysis on this, so that's what I'm here for. You guys do the news, you guys do the research, I do the technical analysis, and in this case, it looks like we have Hex here in a bullish triangle of sorts. Hang on a second, I'm gonna let my dog out. And we have two tops on this triangle. All right, so that provides a pretty significant level of resistance. And we have very good support here. It looks like we touched the support at least 5, maybe 6 times, 7 times, something like that. And it has always acted as support, never broken below. So the question of the hour is, are we going up or are we going down? All right, so if I were to just look at this chart and nothing else, I can't answer that question as accurately. Let's say it that way. But because I have been doing these daily updates for you, perusing through a bunch of charts, and I see a correlation of all the aggregated data pointing neutral to bullish bias, I suspect that we are near the bottom of this current crypto pullback and that we are going to head up. What that means for Hex here is it's going to break through eventually both of these upper layers of the triangle. But I will be careful with this trade. And for subscribers at Substack, studamus.substack.com. I have all the levels laid out for you. Currently on this chart, I probably have about a dozen levels. Some of them exist below us, and many of them, or most of them, exist above us. So as you're trading up to our target, which I have drawn out here at 60 cents, I believe, and we're currently at 18 cents. So this is a real deal. Now, of course, all you guys that are getting this information for free, you're probably just going to buy and hold unless you can chart these levels yourself or are subscribing to my newsletter at Substack. And that's fine. That's a 3x gain right now. Very good profit. Most altcoins that I'm seeing are 2.5 gain targets. This is a 3xer. All right. So this is a very good gain on this particular coin. And but along the way, you're going to experience lots of fluctuation. And I'm going to tell you about one probability that exists in terms of fluctuation. And that is if we do go up and break up and out of this this triangle, excuse me, what we'll probably see here is a pop even above both of these at once. Don't let that fake you out. We're probably gonna hit our heads on that 50-day and then come back down as we do with these triangles and touch the top of that first layer. And then I wouldn't be surprised if we existed inside of that layer of triangles for a couple days before we break out again and up to our next level, wherever that exists. And of course, along the way to this 3x target, which typically my trades here, I'm a swing trader, last anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks on average, sometimes up to a couple months. Sometimes they are quick. It depends on how bullish or volatile the market is, and they can last for days. But along the way, you're going to want to trade out, re-enter, trade out, re-enter, as I do with my levels. All right. And that is how you maximize your gain. On this particular trade, I have so many levels that for subscribers, if you trade those levels along the way, I expect you could make as much as 5x from its current point. That is the way you do level trading, guys. And that's what I teach to my subscribers. Currently, I have a Black Friday special going on, so get that. All right, hope you all have a great day and good luck on this trade if you plan on entering.